viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. Today I am going to prepare the cluster beans curry, which is also known as gori kai in Kannada and gori chikkudlu in Telugu. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do like, share and comment. If you don't want to know the recipe, please do watch the video till the end. Yeah, so let's get started. These are all the ingredients which are required. I have taken pepper, groundnut, onion, coriander leaves, garlic cloves, green chilies, coconut pieces, and of course we need cluster beans. I have already hand chopped these cluster beans, and I have taken up to 6 to 7 green chilies, and one large onion is enough. So let's start the preparation by cutting the veggies. I had already chopped the onions, one into large pieces and another half into a finely chopped. I had already hand chopped the cluster beans. We need to cook the cluster beans first. So I am adding 2 glasses of water into the pan, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt also to it, and adding these cluster beans to the water after it gets boiled. So let us boil the water first. And on the other hand, I have taken peanuts, half cup of peanuts, and we need to dry roast these peanuts. I'm not adding any oil for this, just dry roast. On the other hand, the water started boiling, so I'm adding the cluster beans to it now. We need to cook boil this. On the other hand, the peanuts have been roasted. Now I'm transferring these peanuts to the plate and let it cool. After it's cooled, I'm removing the peel and separated the peel from the peanuts. Taking the blending jar, adding these peanuts to the jar, the diced onion pieces, garlic cloves, coriander leaves, and of course the coconut pieces. When I added the green chilies also, and to this I'm adding half teaspoon of pepper, and we need to blend all these mixtures. We need to not make a fine paste of it. We need to roughly grind it. I'm adding a little bit of water and again grinding it. As you can see, it's done. After this, as you can see, the cluster beans have been boiled, the color has been changed, and it's been cooked up to 60 to 70%, which is enough. I'm separating this water from the cluster beans. I'm straining it using a strainer and keeping it aside. After this, I am starting the curry preparation. I have kept the pan. I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil. After the pan gets heated, adding the mustard seeds and jeera, some urad dal and chana dal, curry leaves. Let them splatter for a minute. I'm adding chopped onions. We need to sort them. I'm adding a pinch of hing also, which is good for digestion. We need to fry them until the color of the onions has been changed by closing the lid. As you can see, it's a light brownish color now. I'm adding the grinded paste for it. Little bit is left over. I'm adding water to it and using that water for cooking purpose. Yeah, to this mixture I'm adding all the required spices like turmeric, half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 full spoons of coriander powder, 1 spoon of garam masala, and mixing all these ingredients. Close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'm adding the boiled cluster beans to it, adding chopped coriander leaves, some crushed kasuri methi, and giving it a good mix. I'm adding salt. Remember, we had already added the salt while boiling the cluster beans. Now we need to check the salt content level and again add it. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt and closing the lid. I'm adding a little bit of water because I thought it's needed. Closing the lid and cooking it for up to 10 to 15 minutes. On the other hand, I'm preparing chapatis. It's not only wheat chapati. I have already added the ragi flour, 1 cup of ragi flour for the wheat, and made it a dough. It's good. You people also try it. And chapati is the best combination for this curry, and I love it. On the other hand, curry was being it was done. As you can see, you can take the closer look. The curry is almost ready. It's been cooked. And on the other hand, chapatis were also ready, and it tasted yummy. You people also please try it in your home, and please do like, share and comment.